It's always been this solid progression of performance with the Q series. I prefer a tire that has a lot of feel, and that's what the Dunlops have always had from the start. Really good feedback, and you always felt like the tire was putting down a really big footprint, which is a sensation and feeling that I don't really get from a lot of other tires. That feeling of a wide footprint and that communication gives the rider utmost confidence because you always know what's going on with the tire.
Perfect combination of power, weight, grip, and you can really smash that front tire, like brake really, really late, and it just loves it. It was really, really impressive.
If you're in the liter bike class and you're looking for a super grippy Dunlop rear tire in a 200 size, you're going to be very happy with this tire.
Flat out going fast in the dry, you simply aren't going to be able to find a better sport tire for street riding or at the track than Dunlop Sportmax Q4. It's a really magnificent product.